Guys, is another fun example of what not to do on a Porsche 944. This car was owned, just got purchased recently by a good guy. His other chassis got over 400,000 miles on it. It's an early sable brown 944. He just picked up this one. It's a mahogany brown, early '85. All three brown colors the 944s came in were super mahogany, sable, and nougat. But I wanted to show you this. This close-up over here, Knucklehead Racing. These guys, whoever worked on this thing last, didn't take the old intake manifold gaskets off of the manifold before they put on the new ones, and they put them on upside down. So the injector ports were blocked. See this here? I've talked about this before. The cutout is here, and the injector is over here. You can see the pattern. You can see the old gasket. So this is just being a knucklehead, man. This was the worst one. Number one was leaking the worst. Look why. half the gasket's still there. Come on. I mean, either you belong working on a car or not. You know, take your time, read the books. It's not rocket surgery, but come on. All right. So that's one for Knucklehead Racing Squadron right there. All right. Don't do that.